Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the iPhone 13 and join Wi-Fi because large downloads and verification need stable data. Once done, decide whether to sign in with an existing Apple ID or create a new one using an email you control. Tap Settings at the top of the home screen and then tap Sign into your iPhone. This starts account entry. Make sure your phone number and recovery email are accessible for the verification codes that arrive shortly. Now you'll either create a new Apple ID or sign in. If creating, enter birthday and name, choose an email or use an existing address, then pick a strong password that you will remember. If signing in, type your Apple ID and password and follow any two-factor prompts. When Apple sends a 6-digit verification code to your phone or email, enter it immediately. Once verified, Apple asks about iCloud, Find My iPhone, and using your device passcode, consent to enable sync and security. Finish by enabling iCloud and services like iMessage, FaceTime, and App Store so your purchases and messages sync across devices. Add a payment method if you plan to buy apps, otherwise choose None and update later. Make sure Find My iPhone is on for security. If something goes wrong, like verification codes not arriving, check the device time and network settings, retry sending the code, or use the Apple ID account recovery to reset your password. That usually resolves sign-in blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.